I'm Kishore Kumar. I'm an independent social researcher and a documentary photographer and entrepreneur based in Sri Lanka. I've been working with the teenage pregnancy issues since 2008 and I wanted to find a sustainable solution for this issue. As a sustainable solution, I have designed a business proposal which I have found by the help of UNDP Hackadev program. And before that, my idea was shelved. It was sitting on my desk. There are no much progress on it. Soon as I find the solution, I have started my business with UNDP support back in 2019. But since the first wave of COVID-19, we had to face a lot of financial barriers with the Saban Naturals. Especially we were into export business, so we were selling a lot of goods to abroad and we couldn't get the payments. A lot of our goods got spoiled and a lot of financial barriers. And I was really frustrated because I've been working on these issues for more than a decade, and I was really happy that I find a solution, but it couldn't went the way which I wanted. So then I have shared this issue with UNDP as well. So UNDP has told me like they are going to help me financially plus other support in order to build up my business model. So with the help of Curve Up, in the second part, I decided to design my business model into a different perception. So earlier we were focusing on the export market, but this time we were focused to launch our business toward e-commerce platforms in higher end market, which is focused in Sri Lanka. So I do have, we already started our second phase of process, but still we do have some problems like the raw materials and the production process. But we are working on it, and we do believe that we can come up with this good business plan in order to achieve all of these problems. When we decided to come up with a sustainable solution, we need to use the migrant mothers to give a sustainable income. So we have to come up with some handmade products. So by looking at the resources that we have and the raw materials which is available in my region, we decided to get into the cosmetic business, because we have believed that cosmetic business has a huge potential, and it has a huge market in the online platform as well, and which is handmade product, so which add more value to the market as well. So Saban Natural has 6 variety of soaps, which start from goat milk and cinnamon, honey, aloe vera, cucumber. All of these raw materials are quite available in my region. So that's the reason that we get into Saban Naturals. And we do have other cosmetic ideas in order to launch in future. So I think we definitely have the idea to expand our business in the future as well. So in the upcoming future, we are planning to launch the project, our product in local market. We are especially focusing on the higher end market in Sri Lanka, especially hotels, spas, and some other shops as well. And we also wanted to launch the product in e-commerce platform, because with my research, I believe there are more than 43% of online market is focused on cosmetics, especially when you talk about Amazon. Amazon sells more than 50% of cosmetic products than the electronics. So it has a huge potential out there. To achieve that target, we sort of need help, and in order to help the migrant mothers, we obviously need to expand our business. So in order to expand our business, we need more sales. So we are looking forward to collaborate with the local market in order to achieve that.